To add custom CSS code to a specific block, follow these steps. Select the block you want to customize. Go to the Advanced tab. Toggle the option for Custom CSS. Next, choose the target element from the drop-down menu. For instance, let's select the text and modify its background color and padding. To add content before the text using CSS, select the Before CSS pseudo-element from the drop-down list. This feature allows you to insert additional content. You can also add different content specifically for when the element is being hovered over. The CSS code you enter will be automatically validated, so any mistakes will be immediately apparent. Once you apply a CSS rule to an element, it will be indicated in the drop-down menu as green. This helps you keep track of all the CSS changes you have made.